Looking for a quick way to access your Progressive Auto Insurance ID card without digging through paperwork? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to download it online in just a few clicks, so you always have it ready whenever you need it. Start by opening Progressive official website. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Login button and click it. Enter your user ID and password to access your account. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard. Look for a section labeled Things to Do. In that list, you should see an option that says Get Your ID card. Go ahead and click on it. You'll now be taken to a page where an electronic copy of your ID card is displayed. On the upper right side of that page, you'll see a few options. Find and click the one that says Save. Once you hit Save, a pop-up will confirm that your ID card has been downloaded and is ready to go. Just open the downloaded file on your device to view your card. From there, you can print it, save it to your phone, or keep it stored for emergencies. And that's all it takes to get your Progressive Auto Insurance ID card online, fast, simple, and stress-free. If you found this helpful, make sure to stick around for more easy tech walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.